Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Global Hobby. Yan sapagkat isa pong hindi magandang balita ang nangyari sa kanya. Nahack po siya ng $7.9 million. Ayan, kawawa po sila. HTX crypto exchange has been hacked but it claims to know the identity of the hacker. Ayan, nahack po sila. Pero yan, mabuti naman at na kanilang napag-alaman yung tunay na identity ng hacker na may kagagawan nito. Pero ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, kawawa naman po sila. Nahack sila. Medyo marami pong gumagamit dito kay Huobi Global. Pero ayan, sana ay hindi nagdulot ng malaking negative na epekto sa kanilang exchange yung pangyayari na ito. Ayan, Huobi Global HTX Crypto Exchange was hacked on September 24 according to a report from blockchain analytics platforms Cyverse. A total of $7.9 million of crypto has been drained in the attack. Ayan, yan po yung amount na kinuha ng magnanakaw na hacker. A known Huobi hot wallet posted a message to the attacker in Chinese. Ayan. According to the message, the exchange knows the identity of the hacker and has offered to let them keep 5% of the drained funds as a white hat bonus, but only if the attacker returns the remaining 95%. Ayan. Sa tingin ko nakikipagkasundo po dito yung si Huobi. Pwedeng ibigay kung sakaling yung hacker ay magmamagandang loob na ibalik nila yung kanilang ninakaw na crypto, ay sabi dito ng Huobi na pwede nilang itago or kunin yung 5% nito pero ibalik nila yung 95%. Kaya yan, mukhang ayos naman po yan. Kaya yan, ito po yung cyber alerts. Sabi niya dito, red code yesterday, our ML-powered system detected a suspicious transactions involving Huobi and HTX Global. Despite our attempts to reach out, we received no response. An EOA received 5K Ethereum, 7.9 million from Huobi Global's hot wallet. Ayan. Yan po yung nangyari dito. On September 24, 10 a.m. UTC, the suspected Huobi hot wallet sent 4,999 ETH worth approximately $7.9 million to an address which had no previous history. The following morning, a separate wallet belonging to Huobi sent a message to the attacker in Chinese. It is stated according to a Google translation. Ayan, nag-send daw po ng message ang Huobi sa attacker sa gamit ang Chinese na language. Mukhang Chinese po yata yung attacker dito. Yan, translated po siya. We have confirmed your true identity, sabi po ng Huobi. Please return funds to. Yan, ito yung kanilang address. We will provide you with 5% white hat bonus. This offer is valid for 7 days and ends on October 2, 2023. If you do not return the funds by the deadline, we will request judicial intervention. Ayan, totoo kaya na na-confirm nila yung kanilang identity? Or baka naman parang bluff lamang ito? Yan, na parang tinatakot nila na alam nila yung identity ng hacker. Ayan, pero hindi natin alam. Cyberse reported the attack on September 25. The wallet that sent the message is identified as a Huobi hot wallet by blockchain analytics platform Arkham Intelligence. According to Cyberse, the wallet that sent the message is listed on Huobi support page as belonging to the exchange. Ayan, Huobi investor Justin Sun confirmed the attack on the morning of September 25, stating HTX Global has suffered a loss of 5,000 ETH or $8 million US due to a hacker attack. Sun claimed that the user are safe. Sun claimed that user funds are safe and exchange is now functioning normally. HTX has now fully covered the losses incurred from the attack and has successfully resolved all related issues. Yan. Crypto exchanges have been plagued by a series of hacks in 2023, many of which are believed to be caused by North Korean affiliated Lazarus groups. The group has amassed $40 million in Bitcoin from the attackers over the course of the year. Ayan. Sunod-sunod yung mga attacks at yung parang karamihan sa mga attacks na ito ay kagagawan daw ng North Korean na mga hackers na tinatawag nilang Lazarus groups. Yan. Pero paano kaya kung pag North Korea, isang North Korean yung may kagagawan nito? Yan, yung pag-hack dito. Kaya Huobi Global. Yan, malamang ay pananakot lang talaga yung ginagawa nila dito. True identity. Kaya pala ay hindi nila alam. Pero ayan, abangan na lamang natin kung anong mangyayari dito kasi hanggang binigyan lamang yung hacker dito ng hanggang October 2 na ibalik raw yung $7.9 million na ito. Yan, syempre ikakaltas niya na dito yung 5%. At ayan ang tungkol dito. Kaya yan, nakakatakot po ngayon at sunod-sunod yung mga hacking incidents. Hindi naman po sinabi kung paano nagawang i-hack ito ng hackers. Ito ba ay nasa security ng exchange? Yan. May kapabayaan ba sa security ng exchange? Kaya nangyari ito? Wala po tayong ideya. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na aking pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.